Hi, I'm Cindy from Pilates with Cindy, and today I'm with my very special friend Louise. She's the owner and producer creator from her company LC Natural Health and Beauty, and today we're going to do something. What are we doing today?
We're going to be making an actual chocolate facial polish from a kit that I've formulated for people to DIY at home.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
If you want to bring the spa home, this is an easy way to do it. So we're going to have Cindy actually make the whole product herself, and we're gonna slather it on the face and see how it turns out.
Yay! Can't wait!
All right, Cindy. Okay, so we're here ready with our chocolate facial scrub kit, and everything comes inside. So you've got your own bowl that you have at home, and you're gonna have your package of the scrub, which is kaolin clay. So that's a pure mineral scrub used in a lot of facial products. So go ahead and put that into the bowl.
Okay.
Great. And next, let's go with the organic cocoa powder. All right, and that is our Rapadura sugar, just our natural brown sugar. Beauty. Great. Give it a little mix there with the stick. Now let's go with the vegetable oil. Now this has natural grapeseed oil in it, jojoba oil, which is closest to our natural sebum, and I have fractionated coconut oil in there. Beautiful. And you can give that a little stir, just very slowly, so the powder doesn't go flying.
Looks yummy.
It's like cake batter. Look at it.
It is. Oh. So tell me about the fractionated coconut oil.
Now that is a beautiful oil that has so many beautiful properties and nutrients in the coconut itself and in its oil, omega-3s, and just beautiful. And coconut oil does not go rancid. It helps to keep a product preserved. So I don't have to put any preservatives into the product itself, because it is, it helps to keep a product from going rancid, which is lovely. That's a lovely long-lasting oil. Okay, how about the essential oils now?
Okay.
Now with this one, we've got some chocolate fragrance oil. We've got mandarin and orange essential oils. So it's going to smell good, and the beautiful properties, in all these oils. Nice. Looks like a chocolate orange.
Smells awesome. Yeah. All right.
Great. Perfect. Now, if you want to reach up here, and you can get a spatula. Perfect. And you can scoop it all into the little container once you get there.
So this is going to keep in my fridge?
Yep, you can put it in your fridge if you like. You don't have to, because again, the coconut oil keeps it from going off. And you just have powders in there and oils. There's no water in this product. Once you have water, you have to worry about bacteria forming. And as long as when you use it, you don't put your dirty fingers in it. Clean fingers are great always in any facial product you use, or any products at all. Clean hands at all times. That's why we're wearing gloves right now. There we go. We're wearing gloves just to keep the product clean. But you can keep it in your fridge. You might want to put a little label on there saying, do not eat. Smells like chocolate and orange.
Smells like chocolate. Looks like chocolate, because it is chocolate.
It is chocolate. Lovely.
All right.
Great. Now, if you want to, take off your glove, and you can try a little bit on your hand if you like, and see how that... There you go.
Ooh, it feels nice.
A little scrubbing action there. So you'd use this to exfoliate after you wash your skin with a gentle cleanser. It's nice and clean. You would take it and just slather it on, just as you have on your hand there. Give it a little gentle rub, just keeping away from the eyes. You don't want the gentle skin on the eyes. Don't need to be exfoliated in any way. So just around the cheeks, the chin area, around the nasal labial area, and forehead, and you just scrub away. If it happens to fall on your lip and you lick it off, it's all good. Nothing in there is dangerous, toxic, or harmful.
Yeah.
And then you could just wash it off with a gentle, warm face cloth. Look at that.
All right.
Lovely.
Awesome.
Good. Okay, so now we have made everything. So what's the next step?
And we're putting it on our face.
Yes!
Yay!
That's the best part.
So
That's the best
excited.
part.
So
Okay,
excited.
great.
Okay.
So what you would do is when you're at home,
Yep.
and you've got your scrub made up, the first thing you do would be wash your face
Yep.
with your gentle wash. So let's just pretend we've washed our face. You've washed on your T-zone area. Wash, wash, wash.
Mm-hmm.
And everything is nice and clean.
Mm-hmm.
And you gently pat dry. Never scrub your face really hard because all that gentle skin is just going to be pulled. That's how you add to wrinkling and just damaging of the gentle areas. Okay, so we've done that. Next, you're going to take your stick and take a little bit of your chocolate
Oh, I'm excited.
facial polish. So I'm just going to show you a little bit. So we'll go on one cheek here. Rub it in all over the face. And let's say you do it down by your chin. These are all the areas. Now I'm just showing a little sampling.
Right, so I could do the whole thing.
You do the whole face.
I do the whole thing,
So
okay.
let's say right now you go up here.
Right.
You go down the nose,
Yeah.
around just the nasolabial folds right
Yeah.
here. Or the frown lines. I hate to call them that.
Mm-hmm.
Because we're smiling. We're happy. And you're rubbing in ever so gently.
Okay.
Rubbing, rubbing, rubbing. A nice general rule is, especially for the face, you want to circle upwards, upwards, upwards,
Oh,
right?
good, okay.
Don't circle down
Okay.
because you're pulling the face. You
Yeah.
want to circle up.
Upwards.
Yes.
Okay.
Just up the chin. You can just do like that. Either way.
Mhm.
This side of the cheek, you go up, upwards, and the forehead again. Just either way, but mostly in a nice upwards motion.
Okay.
Now with this exfoliator in here, the sugar helps to bring blood to the surface of the skin. And blood is nutrients, so it's going to help fill the skin and plump the cells
Plump
up
it up.
naturally.
Mm-hmm.
No Botox needed here.
Yep.
Okay, so let's say that's done, and that's beautiful. And we have all the exfoliation done on the face.
Yep.
Then you take a nice wet cloth with some warm water, and you're just going to wash it off the face. So let's just gently remove after we have exfoliated.
Nice.
Yeah, just very gently.
Feels good.
Pat that dry.
And how often would I do this?
Once a week.
Once a week. Okay.
Yeah, once a week. And depending on what you're doing, sometimes if you're in a, let's say, a work environment where you're facing the toxins of outside, all the environmental toxins in your, or you're wearing makeup a lot for whatever reason. You know, we've been in theaters, so we
Yeah.
have to wear makeup. Then, you know, every few days just to really get a nice deep clean.
Yep.
But normally once a week is all you need to do.
Okay.
And
Good
then,
maintenance.
yeah. And then when you finish, you can finish with a little, this is our little citrus skin mist, just to kind of, ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
Just to give you a little whoop,
Nice.
whoop.
Nice.
There we go.
Oh, that feels really nice.
Just to kind of freshen up the skin,
Yay.
close the pores. Nice. Yeah, and that's how you bring your spa to your home.
That's awesome. That
Yay.
feels so good.
Good, good.
Yeah, nice.
Look,
Thank
you look
you.
radiant.
Yay.
Lovely.
Love-
Woohoo.
Yeah.
Baking the video. Baking.
Lots of baking.
There it is, Lola.